Okay, so now we go to the example number 2. For the example 2, express this one in partial fraction. So we already learned during the first chapter the partial fraction. So this one 2 over 2x minus 1, 2x plus 1. Okay, so you look the denominator. The denominator is the prime factor. Okay, so prime factor. So for sure you need to write 3 line equal to 3 line. A over the first prime factor plus b over the second prime factor. So you do as usual lah. So this one I already teach during the first chapter, so I will not repeat anymore. So you will get this is the answer. Okay, after that, show that summation r equal to 1 to n 2 over 2r minus 1 2r plus 1. So if you look at this question, this one and this one is almost the same, right? So that means kamu perlu guna partial fraction yang kamu buat untuk buat soalan ini. Okay, equal to 2n over 2n plus 1. So using the method of differences lah. So saya buat, okay, so how I want to show here. So I just put summation r equal to 1 until n, 2 over 2r, this one is the original question. And then this one is the partial fraction yang kamu sudah buat. So this one I write in partial fraction. The summation I just copy. So I use the method of differences. For this one, when r equal to 1, saya ganti. So I will get 1 over 2 times 1 minus 1. I will get 1 over 1 minus 1 over 2 times 1 plus 1. So I get 1 over 3. So ganti lah. When r equal to 1, you will get this one. When r equal to 2, you will get this one. When r equal to 3, you will get this one. When r equal to 4, you will get this one. Substitute inside this formula. So jangan lupa equal to ini tambah ini tambah ini tambah ini until kamu nak buat sampai bila. Okay, so kamu tengok. Potong. Tolak 1/3 tambah 1/3, potong-potong. Tolak 1/5 tambah 1/5, potong-potong, 0. Yang ni tolak 1/7 tambah 1/7, potong-potong. For sure this one also will potong with r equal to 5. So potong juga. So kamu tengok, atas penjuru tu tinggal apa? Tinggal satu saja. So that mean atas kiri penjuru tinggal satu, bawah penjuru kanan pun tinggal satu. So atas kiri penjuru, bawah kanan penjuru. So you need to take like that lah. Okay, so yang lain tu potong. Kamu tengok this one r equal to n, r equal to n minus 1. Kamu buat lah. Plus plus. Okay, kamu akan nampak yang ini dengan yang ni potong. This one also will potong dengan yang depan. So tinggal atas kiri penjuru dengan bawah kanan penjuru. So cuma saling sajalah dua benda ni. So make sure ada dot arrow. Okay, so saling saja. The first term and the last term. So saling 1 minus 1 over 2n plus 1 equal to. So buat saja, kira seperti biasa, kamu akan dapatlah showing part yang dia tulis tu ialah 2n over 2n plus 1. So make sure you use the method of differences. So as teacher say for the example 1, apa maksud yang dimaksudkan dengan 2n over 2n plus 1? Maksud yang di sini, kalau dia kata r equal to 1 until 5, that means kamu terus ganti 2 times 5 over 2 times 5 plus 1. Boleh tak? Kalau dia kata r equal to 1 until 100, so kamu terus gantilah. N tu ialah 100. 2 times 100 over 2 times 100 plus 1. Okay, so yang ini yang dimaksudkan dengan general formula ini. After that, the question asks you what? The question asks you, mana ni? State whether or not the series is convergent. So dia nak tanya kamu sama ada this series is convergent or not. So if you want to see whether this series is convergent or not, so how you want to do here? Letaklah limit n approach to infinity. Pun cikgu dah ajar sebelum ni. For 2n over 2n plus 1. Okay, so you want to see either convergent or not. So kamu tengok what is the highest power here? N. So divide n, divide n, divide n. So kamu akan dapat 2 over 2 plus 1 over n lah. So ganti n is the infinity value inside here. So 2 over 2 plus 1 bahagi a big number, you will get 0. So that's why the answer is 1. So bila dia keluar satu nombor, that means the series is convergent. Okay, so yang ini memang kita dah belajar. So this is the explanation for the example 2.